Want to add payment method to Rakuten? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to Rakuten.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on your username at the top right. Now, from this drop down, select the option of account. Now, here you will find the option choose payment method. Go ahead and click on that, which will now bring you to account settings. On account settings, scroll down a bit and you will find how you're getting paid section. You have three options here: check, PayPal, or membership rewards points. Go ahead and select whichever it is that you prefer. If you want PayPal, click on the select option next to PayPal. This pop-up box will appear. Here you will have to log into PayPal. For that, enter your email address. Then you will have to enter your password. After completing all the steps, your payment method will be successfully added, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.